Discover the Erowa Checking Pin, a durable tool crafted from high-quality 20 stainless steel to keep your EDM head running true and square for life. Our product is easy to install. Secure it with the included spigot and use it to check your workpiece's concentricity, axial and radial concentration. You can easily check the squareness of your Erowa head to your workpiece. This 30mm checking pin is engineered for quality. In installing on Erowa pallets, ensure the spigot is snug within the pallet's confines before tightening down. Consistently using the same fixture when checking your machine's head saves time and ensures good performance. The Erowa Checking Pin is a powerful tool that improves machining accuracy. Like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more precision tool reviews. Keep your machines running sharp.